Okay guys, so today we are gonna place the keycaps. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Solo. Now I hope this saves, because if it doesn't, I won't be very happy. Well, mushroom topi, baby. Oh no, you're joking. We might be cooked. Yeah, we're definitely cooked. This is not good at all. This is not good at all. This is not good at all. This is not good. 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 Not good. It's time to place these. Where's the cat? Now you guys are gonna laugh at me because I don't know where these things are. But it's not my fault, okay? I don't use a keyboard. I use an iPad. Oh. Yeah, I think we're cooked. Anyways, that's just the azan, guys. Don't worry about it. I can't hear it then. Okay. Pale. Don't need those. Golden rod. So you can put them up even though they are wrong. Okay. That's good to know. Okay, so now we just need not amber. Still amber. Anyway, so wait. This is sunbeam, I guess. Oh, let's go. We found a golden rod. Space. You're definitely golden rod. I think you are as well. Yep. Now where do I go? Anyways, now where do I go? Anyways, now we just put that. There. Okay. Okay, then dot. Where is it? No. Wait, what? No, the space bar isn't there. There we go. Yeah, and I know the dot isn't there. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Dot. Oh, wait, it's here. Anyways, to hear me, you might need to turn up your volume because I talk very quietly, my mom says. I don't know why. Anyway, so yeah. So, golden rod. Where's more golden rod? Okay, that's another golden rod. Keep on going. Get that one. So, wait, what? Anyways. Anyways, so let's just place these keys. You go there, W goes here, Enter goes here. There we go, and then F goes like right there. Yeah. Where's F? Ah, there we go. Okay, F is there, R goes there. Anyways, it makes like a keyboard clicking sound for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, golden rod. Golden rod. Anyways, so golden rod there, and then golden rod there, and then golden rod. Oh yeah, I forgot we can only hold 5 stuff at a time. That's annoying. Anyway, so yeah. That's so annoying. Anyways. So yeah, it's like so annoying. Anyways. I wonder when I'll be done with one keyboard. This is gonna take like 10 years. guys, I'm kind of sick, so I might be a little more quiet. I don't know. So yeah. Here we go. And then what we do? Why are there so many big goldens on me? And many gold. Oh wait, no, I was holding a caramel. Holy! This, I forgot this caramel in this game. Holy Lewis reference. My God. What? Such a big Louis Hay reference, like brother. Sorry guys, I got stuck in a bottle. How did I get stuck in a bottle, you ask? There's some questions that you don't want to ask, some questions that you don't want the answers to. Oh wait, no. Stop it. Stop it. G. So yeah. So now we place the G here next to that, in between the W. I don't understand why it's a W and not a W. Somebody go and explain that to me, please. Why is it called W and this one? And why is it not called double V? Well, back in ancient times, W and V were like the W sound, and the V's and V were like the exact same thing. So like stupidly confusing. And then they were like, okay, let's just make another this thingy. And then they just renamed it W and not actually double V. And only the lowercase is actually double V. So that really sucks. Anyway, yeah, I don't really know what to even say in my videos anymore. It's so annoying to just record this, because I'm like so bored, and it's like very annoying, yeah, it's like really annoying. So yeah. Also, Game Place the Keycaps. Shout out to Game Place the Keycaps, because it has the one and only caramel. I think you've got the caramel. Yeah, Louis A. Pretty cool. So yeah. Shout out to this game. So yeah. I'm really sleepy today. I don't know why, I'm just sleepy. Okay, goldenrod. Sorry guys, but really, like, why is this clicking noise keeps on adding? I like it better when there's no clicking noise. Oh yeah, I joined this game when there was no clicking. Wait a second. Amber. No, get out. I need goldenrod, not amber. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? So, yeah. Also, guys, if you didn't know, there's like this stupid annoying feature. I can't post the super impossible part 2 because I need to verify the phone number. To like get extra features. I don't really need most of them. The only ones that I like, the perks are like you can like have this one's, what do you call it? You can like make your own thumbnails, and there's also this one that I really need, having a video more than 15 minutes long. So yeah, it's very annoying. So yeah. It's like so stupidly annoying. Like stupid annoying. Hold on, all that. Sorry guys, my mom's on a call. So you might hear some random noises. Don't mind. Also guys, somebody in the comments, please help me how to edit on CapCut, because I do my voice recording on CapCut, because I use screen recording actually, and that kind of sucks. So yeah, kind of sucks to have like screen recording, because then whatever, it's only gonna be like whatever the game's voice has, and I have to separately record my voice playing it. Thank goodness I found that out about that, or else let's say I wouldn't be where I am right now. Anyways, we put the extra. Oh, it's easier. So hard to position this. Oh, this is so boring. So yeah. So basically, what I want to actually, so like that, and yeah, you should definitely try to place the keycaps. It's not that bad. And I tried it out before on my friend. No, not my friend. No, I tried it out, and you know what happened? So basically what happened is that she says that it actually saves. So that's like really good news for me. So yeah, anyways. So yeah, that's very good news that it saves. Why is there a win button? I don't think there should be a win button. So yeah. Hoo hee hoo. Ooh boo 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 bee. Ooh boo boo bee. Ooh bee boo bee boo. Ooh boo boo bee. Boo bee boo boo boo. By the way, these videos aren't actually scripted. I don't know what scripted content even means. So, I don't know if it's... I just record it. Like, I have no plan for it really. Yeah, and then it's just basically that. That's that. So, yeah, it's basically pretty annoying. Sorry guys, I was just checking if I was recording or not. Bro, this is actually getting so boring. So bored. Uffatatito, papapapapito, upapapipo, papapapipo. Na 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 na. Where is the golden rod stuff? People. This is so boring. Turtle, 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 turtle. Turtle, saying. Like, bro, I'm so bored. For only 16 minutes and 50 seconds into the video, and this thing is like 26 minutes and 56 seconds. So you have to bear another 10 stupid minutes of this. Or I can cut out some parts. This which I think I should do. Okay guys, so I'm gonna speed up the video now. Unga, manga, wanga, chunga, sanga. Yeah, so I've sped up the video now. Now it's going quicker, which is very nice. So yeah, I don't like doing this because there's like two sides of you, okay? Like one is like, you know, you're just continue YouTube video, you're almost done, almost there, and then the other side is like, man, let's just watch YouTube. So yeah. I don't know what to say anymore. So yeah. bee boo bee boo bee boo bee bee boo bee boo bee bee boo bee boo bee dee nee 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 Guys, we are gonna soon. I'm gonna check the post that I sent y'all. I asked you what should I make next, and so yeah. Okay, we found the goldenrod one. Anga mang manga sung. Anga manga jungle. Highlights every. No way, right? Guys, I'm being taste help. Yumsies. Another goldenrod. Goldenrod. It's raining taco from out of the sky. Taco, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, it's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. We finally completed the stupid golden one. Now you have to complete the stupid pale gold one, and now you can finally go home. And don't say me, oh, we're already at home. You're already at home. I'm tired of sitting here and doing like absolutely nothing. So boring. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, it's raining tacos from out of the sky. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos from other than tacos. No need to ask why. It is boring sitting here and doing nothing. Just saying words. Right. No, you go back there. You go there. Then you go like here, I think, right? And then dots. You go there. Wrong one. Go there, right? Okay, nice. Nice. Dun 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 dum bum ba da bum. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. No need. Okay, guys, I just did some offline, and we got a few more keycaps. I haven't finished it, so that's all for today. See ya.